Upgrade your thermostat without frying your HVAC. Always verify that each thermostat terminal letter matches the control board terminals before connecting wires. When replacing a thermostat, treat the wiring like a map. Take a clear photo of the old stat with the cover open, then label each wire with masking tape and a pen to preserve terminal letter identity. Never rely on wire color because installers and previous owners mix colors. Shut power at the furnace or air handler breaker and double-check with a non-contact voltage tester that there is no live voltage on the control board before touching terminals. Even low-voltage systems can cause shorted relays if miswired. Compare the old thermostat label and the new thermostat installation guide side by side. Trace each function. Call for heat, call for cool, fan, common, reversing valve. Back to the control board terminals and confirm that letters like W, Y, G, R, C, and O, B correspond to the exact terminal functions on the equipment, not just the thermostat. When dealing with heat pump systems, identify whether the system uses an O or a B reversing valve signal and whether it is energized in cooling or heating. Swapping those two will reverse system behavior. If your control board has multiple R terminals or jumper blocks, ensure the new stat's power source links are preserved. Some thermostats require a separate 5-volt or 24-volt common, and improper jumpering can leave the thermostat unpowered or backfeed the transformer. For 2 transformer systems, or heat and hydronic mix systems, isolate each transformer and confirm diodes or isolating relays exist. Never tie 2 R terminals together without a diode or relay intended for that purpose. After wiring, restore power and test each function one at a time. Set the stat to heat and listen for the heat relay, then to cool and watch the compressor contactor, then fan. Use the equipment control board LED diagnostics if available to confirm correct signals. If anything behaves oddly, immediately power down and recheck terminal letters and wire continuity rather than guessing live fixes. One of the most common thermostat installation mistakes is misreading thermostat terminal letters, leading to no heat or no cool. Fix this by photographing labels, verifying terminals on the control board, and testing functions one at a time. One of the next frequent errors is relying on wire color instead of lettered terminals, which can short compressors or blow control fuses. Remedy that by labeling wires, tracing them to the control board, and using a continuity check if wires are bundled or long. One of the third pitfalls is confusing O and B reversing valve signals in heat pump systems, causing reverse operation. Correct that by consulting the air handler or outdoor unit wiring diagram and setting the thermostat to the specified reversing valve polarity. BigHomeProjects.com is a searchable directory that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors experienced with thermostat upgrades and HVAC wiring. It also helps contractors get work by listing verified profiles, project photos, and direct contact options, so homeowners can hire pros who know how to match thermostat terminal letters with control board terminals correctly.